Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to turn off remix for specific post on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap on your profile from the bottom right corner. Choose the post you want to turn off remix. Now tap on the three-dot icon from the top right of your post. Then tap on Turn Off Remixing from the menu. From the pop-up screen, tap on Turn Off. And you will turn off the remix on that post. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful and you're able to turn off remixes for a specific post on Instagram. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.